Saving money can feel impossible when your budget is already stretched thin. But with the right strategies and a bit of discipline, you can start building your savings even on a tight income. In this video, we'll explore practical, actionable steps to help you save money quickly, no matter how limited your resources may be. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a special purchase, or just want to feel more secure, these tips are designed to work for anyone. Let's dive in and discover how you can take control of your finances and start saving today. The first step to saving money is knowing exactly where your money goes. Start by tracking every single expense, no matter how small. Use a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet to record your daily spending. This process will help you identify patterns and spot areas where you might be overspending. Once you see the numbers in black and white, it becomes much easier to make informed decisions about where to cut back. Remember, awareness is the foundation of financial change, and tracking is the key to that awareness. Having a clear savings goal gives you motivation and direction. Decide how much you want to save and by when. Make sure your goal is realistic for your current situation. For example, aiming to save $500 in 3 months might be achievable, while $5,000 could be overwhelming. Break your goal into smaller, manageable milestones so you can celebrate progress along the way. Setting a target helps you stay focused and makes it easier to measure your success. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. Start by listing your income and all your expenses. Separate your needs from your wants and prioritize essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. Allocate a specific amount for each category and stick to it. If you find that your expenses exceed your income, look for areas to cut back. A simple, realistic budget helps you stay in control and ensures that you're putting money aside for savings each month. One of the easiest ways to save money is to automate the process. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Even if it's just a small amount, consistency adds up over time. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to spend what you intended to save. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill and watch your balance grow with minimal effort. Monthly subscriptions can quietly drain your finances. Review all your recurring charges, such as streaming services, gym memberships, and app subscriptions. Cancel any that you don't use regularly or truly need. Even small subscriptions add up over time. Redirect the money you save from canceled subscriptions directly into your savings account. This simple step can make a noticeable difference in your monthly budget. Eating out or ordering takeout can quickly eat into your budget. By cooking at home, you not only save money, but also have more control over what you eat. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Try batch cooking or preparing simple meals to save time and reduce food waste. Over time, the savings from eating at home can be significant, and you might even discover a new hobby in the kitchen. Impulse purchases can sabotage your savings efforts. Before you go shopping, make a list of what you need and stick to it. This applies to groceries, clothing, and even online shopping. Avoid browsing aisles or websites without a clear purpose. Shopping with a list helps you avoid unnecessary spending and ensures you only buy what you truly need. Over time, this habit can lead to substantial savings. Buying used items is a smart way to save money without sacrificing quality. Check out thrift stores, online marketplaces, and community sales for clothing, furniture, and household goods. Many secondhand items are in excellent condition and cost a fraction of the price of new ones. By choosing pre-owned, you not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Ordering food delivery or takeout is convenient, but those costs add up quickly. Challenge yourself to limit takeout to special occasions or emergencies. Prepare simple meals at home and pack lunches for work or school. Not only will you save money, but you'll also likely eat healthier. Make eating out a treat, not a habit, and watch your savings grow. Switching to cash for your daily expenses can help you stick to your budget. Withdraw a set amount of cash each week for things like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Once the cash is gone, you know it's time to stop spending. This method makes your spending more tangible and helps you avoid overspending with credit or debit cards. Many people pay for memberships they rarely use, such as gyms, clubs, or online services. Review your memberships and cancel any that you don't use regularly. If you still want to stay active, look for free or low-cost alternatives like home workouts or community events. Every canceled membership is money back in your pocket. Don't be afraid to negotiate with service providers for better rates on things like internet, phone, or insurance. Call and ask if there are any discounts, promotions, or lower-cost plans available. Sometimes, simply mentioning that you're considering switching providers can lead to immediate savings. Every dollar you save on bills is a dollar you can add to your savings. If possible, use public transportation instead of driving. Buses, trains, and subways are often much cheaper than owning and maintaining a car. You'll save on gas, parking, insurance, and maintenance costs. If public transit isn't an option, consider carpooling or biking to work. Every ride you skip in your car is money saved. Doing things yourself can save a lot of money. From home repairs to simple car maintenance, there are many tasks you can learn to do with the help of online tutorials. Before hiring someone, see if it's something you can handle on your own. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain valuable skills and confidence. Reducing your use of electricity, water, and gas can lower your monthly bills. Turn off lights when not in use, unplug electronics, and take shorter showers. Consider using energy-efficient appliances and adjusting your thermostat. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to noticeable savings over time. Buying in bulk can save money, but only if you're purchasing items you use regularly. Compare unit prices to ensure you're getting a good deal, and avoid buying perishables in large quantities unless you're sure you'll use them before they expire. Bulk buying works best for non-perishable goods like toiletries, cleaning supplies, and pantry staples. Generic or store brand products are often just as good as name brands, but cost much less. Try switching to generics for groceries, medications, and household goods. Over time, these small savings add up and can make a big difference in your budget. Take advantage of coupons, discount codes, and cashback offers whenever you shop. Many stores and apps offer digital coupons or rewards for frequent shoppers. Before making a purchase, do a quick search for available deals. These savings may seem small, but they add up over time and help stretch your budget further. Designate certain days of the week as no-spend days, where you commit to not spending any money at all. Use these days to enjoy free activities like going for a walk, reading, or spending time with friends and family. No-spend days help break the habit of unnecessary spending and give your budget a break. Marketing emails and notifications can tempt you to spend on things you don't need. Take a few minutes to unsubscribe from promotional emails and turn off shopping app notifications. Out of sight, out of mind, this simple step can help you avoid impulse purchases and keep your savings on track. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Look for free or low-cost activities in your community, such as local events, parks, museums, or library programs. Host game nights or movie nights at home instead of going out. With a little creativity, you can have fun without breaking the bank. Take a look around your home for items you no longer use or need. Selling unused clothes, electronics, or furniture can bring in extra cash and help declutter your space. Use online marketplaces or local community groups to find buyers. Every little bit you earn can go straight into your savings. Credit cards can make it easy to overspend, especially when you're on a tight budget. Try to use cash or debit cards for most purchases, and reserve credit cards for emergencies only. If you do use a credit card, pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. This discipline helps you stay within your means and avoid debt. Make saving money fun by starting a savings challenge. For example, try the 5-2-week challenge, where you save a small amount each week and gradually increase it. Or save every $5 bill you receive. Challenges add a sense of accomplishment and can help you build your savings faster than you might expect. Check in on your savings progress every week or month. Review your budget, track your expenses, and see how close you are to your goal. If you're falling behind, look for new areas to cut back or ways to boost your income. Regular reviews keep you accountable and motivated to stay on track. Having someone to share your savings journey with can make a big difference. Find a friend or family member who also wants to save money and hold each other accountable. Share tips, celebrate milestones, and encourage each other when things get tough. A savings buddy can help keep you motivated and make the process more enjoyable. Sometimes, cutting expenses isn't enough. Look for ways to boost your income, such as taking on a side job, freelancing, or selling handmade goods. Even a few extra hours a week can make a big difference. Use any additional income to accelerate your savings and reach your goals faster. When you get a raise or extra income, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, keep your expenses the same and put the extra money into savings. This approach, known as avoiding lifestyle inflation, helps you build wealth faster without feeling deprived. Before making any purchase, pause and ask yourself if it's truly necessary. Practicing mindful spending means being intentional with your money and avoiding impulse buys. Over time, this habit can help you save more and feel more satisfied with your purchases. If you're tempted to make a non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours before buying. This cooling off period helps you avoid impulse spending and gives you time to decide if you really need the item. Often, you'll find that the urge to buy passes, and you can save that money instead. Consider opening separate savings accounts for different goals. such as emergencies, travel, or big purchases. This makes it easier to track your progress and prevents you from dipping into your savings for unrelated expenses. Having clear boundaries for your money helps you stay organized and motivated. There are many free resources available to help you save money, from budgeting apps to community classes and online tutorials. Use these tools to learn new skills, find deals, and stay motivated on your savings journey. The more you take advantage of free help, the less you'll need to spend. Gift giving can be expensive, especially around holidays and birthdays. Set a budget for gifts and stick to it. Consider homemade or thoughtful, low-cost gifts instead of expensive purchases. Remember, it's the thought that counts, and your loved ones will appreciate your effort to be responsible with your finances. Simple energy-saving habits can lower your utility bills. Switch to LED bulbs, unplug devices when not in use, and use fans instead of air conditioning when possible. Small changes in your daily routine can add up to big savings over time, helping you keep more money in your pocket. Meal planning helps you buy only what you need and reduces food waste. Before shopping, plan your meals for the week and make a list. Use leftovers creatively to stretch your grocery budget further. Reducing waste not only saves money, but also benefits the environment. If you have loans or credit card debt, consider refinancing to a lower interest rate. This can reduce your monthly payments and free up more money for savings. Shop around for the best rates and terms, and make sure to read the fine print before making any changes. ATM fees can add up quickly if you're not careful. Use ATMs within your bank's network or get cash back at stores when making purchases. Keep track of your bank's fee policies to avoid unnecessary charges and keep more of your money. Many companies offer discounts if you bundle services like internet, phone, and TV. Check with your providers to see if you can combine services for a lower overall bill. Bundling can simplify your payments and save you money each month. Payday loans may seem like a quick fix, but they come with extremely high interest rates and fees. Avoid these loans whenever possible, and look for safer alternatives like borrowing from friends or family, or seeking help from a local credit union. Protect your finances by steering clear of predatory lending. If your employer offers benefits like retirement plans, health savings accounts, or employee discounts, make sure you're taking full advantage. These benefits can help you save money on taxes, healthcare, and everyday expenses. Check with your HR department to see what's available to you. Visual reminders can keep you motivated to save. Create a savings tracker, vision board, or chart to display your progress. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day. Watching your savings grow, even little by little, can inspire you to keep going and reach your goals. Saving money doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself completely. Set aside a small amount for occasional treats or rewards when you hit a savings milestone. This helps you stay motivated and makes the process more enjoyable. Just be sure your rewards fit within your budget. Everyone slips up from time to time. If you overspend or fall short of your savings goal, don't get discouraged. Reflect on what happened, learn from your mistakes, and adjust your plan as needed. The key is to keep moving forward and stay committed to your financial goals. Saving money on a tight budget is challenging, but it's absolutely possible with the right mindset and strategies. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every bit of progress. Remember, every dollar saved brings you closer to your goals and gives you greater financial freedom. Take action today and watch your savings grow, one step at a time.